esteemed guests, respected teachers, and good morning, esteemed guests, respected teachers, and dear students. I'm Asfiya Mahmood of grade 9th B.
And I am Saida Afroz of grade 9th B.
It is with great pleasure that we welcome you to this prestigious occasion, the celebration of Maths Day, also known as Ramanujan Day. Today we gather to honor the incredible contributions of the legendary mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan, whose work continues to inspire mathematicians and scholars around the world.
Indeed, this day not only celebrates the beauty and importance of mathematics, but also pays tribute to the genius of Ramanujan, whose profound insights into the world of numbers continue to shape the field. We have an engaging and intellectually stimulating program planned for you today, and we trust that it will leave you with a deeper appreciation for the wonders of mathematics. Before we delve into the program, let's get to know a few points about the great mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan.
Srinivasa Ramanujan was a brilliant Indian mathematician whose contributions to the field of mathematics continues to inspire scholars and researchers worldwide. Born on December 22, 1887 in Erode, India, Ramanujan exhibited an extraordinary talent for mathematics from a very young age. What makes his story even more remarkable is that he developed his own theories largely without formal training.
Ramanujan's work in number theory, continued fractions, and infinite series revolutionized the field, and his discoveries have had a lasting impact on both pure and applied mathematics. Despite facing many challenges, including limited access to formal education, Ramanujan's genius and passion led him to collaborate with some of the most prominent mathematicians of his time, such as G. H. Hardy at Cambridge University. His life and work continue to inspire us, proving the power of perseverance and creativity in the world of mathematics.
Without further delay, we'd like to begin our program. So I would like to call 6th and 7th graders to come forward and lead us with the school song. Now we have the honor of inviting the Honorable Headmistress Samira Ma'am to the stage.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, and a very good morning to all present. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all today for this special occasion of celebrating Srinivasa Ramanujan Iyengar's birthday, the great Indian mathematician who had a very short lifespan. He lived only for 32 years, but within these 32 years, he did great wonders. His contribution extends to mathematical fields such as complex analysis, number theory, infinite series, and continued fractions. According to Albert Einstein, mathematics is, in its own way, the poetry of logical ideas. Mathematics is a great motivator for all humans because its career starts with zero and it never ends. That is, it is infinity. We welcome all the distinguished guests, our chief guest, Ali Asghar Sir, Secretary Ma'am, Sabia Arifuddin Ma'am, Sabia Farzana Ma'am, sorry, Maria Arifuddin Ma'am, our Director Sir, KM Fasiuddin, and the distinguished heads, teachers, the other staff members, and their students. Let me introduce you to our distinguished guest for today's function, that is Ali Asghar Sir, who is a businessman by profession but got involved with community development after the 1990 communal riots in Hyderabad. He worked on several economic development programs in Hyderabad to rebuild the economic interdependence between Muslim artisans and Hindu traders. He also worked with schools to address issues of segregation and religion-based exclusivity by conducting activities which foster interaction between children from different communities. Since 2009, he has freelanced with several organizations in Rajasthan, UP, Bihar, and Jammu and Kashmir, helping them reduce dependency on grant funding and move towards sustainable social enterprise models. Largely, the focus has been on educational initiatives, financial inclusion, livelihood development of small producers, artisans, and micro-entrepreneurs through a market-led approach. For the last 7 to 8 years, he has been engaged with low-cost English medium schools in Hyderabad and Bidar. He does capacity building of teachers, facilitates setting of school management systems and systems for ongoing monitoring progress of students. He has introduced a program entitled Service Learning and Action, which engages students in community projects in consonance with the lessons they learn in the classroom. Sir is the founder and president of Association for Socio-Economic Empowerment of the Marginalized, ASEEM, that is known as, working on issues of rights and entitlements of minority communities in India. He is engaged with Nirantara Infratech Private Limited right now. We welcome you, sir. It's an honor to have you as the chief guest for this very prestigious occasion when we are celebrating mathematics, the subject which gives us the goosebumps. The ones, it is the phobia that most of the students have, and hats off to the math faculty who has made the thing so easy for mathematics that we have just seen your all presentations outside, and you all were fabulous children. Your display of all the things that are being there outside in the central ground is outstanding. That means you have understood all the concepts of mathematics, and math is a very easy subject for you. That was not for us, especially the ones who are taking only science or arts as who have chosen this. Mathematics is something like a nightmare. But I am sure most of you are very good at mathematics, and we expect a very good result from you all in the coming board examinations too. Hats off, and a round of applause to all the mathematics department, HODs, and all the teachers and the students who participated in the competitions. Thank you once again and welcome you all to this function. Thank you.
Thank you, Sabira ma'am, for those inspiring and thoughtful words. Your speech truly set the tone for today's event.
It was a wonderful start to what promises to be a remarkable day. Now we will move forward with a special performance. The students of grade 3 and 4 have prepared a welcome dance that reflects the energy and enthusiasm with which they approach both mathematics and life. Let us all enjoy the performance. What an exceptional performance. The grace and enthusiasm displayed by third and fourth grade students was truly inspiring. Their energy is infectious and it's clear that the dedication to their craft has paid off.
Absolutely. The stage is now set for the next segment of our program. We are privileged to have a speech on Ramanujan delivered by one of our brilliant 9th grade students. As he reflects on Ramanujan's life and his invaluable contributions to mathematics, we look forward to hearing her speech. Please welcome Hafsa from grade 9 to the stage.
Respected distinguished chief guests, heads, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Hafsa Barkat from class 9 and it's an honor to stand before you to speak on this auspicious day. Today, we celebrate the life and brilliance of Srinivasa Ramanujan, a mathematical genius whose contributions continue to shape the world of mathematics. Born in 1887 in Erode, India, Ramanujan exhibited an extraordinary intuition for numbers from a young age, developing groundbreaking theories despite limited formal training. His work on infinite series, partition theory, and modular forms remains profound and influential. His mathematical path took a remarkable turn when he sent his work to the esteemed British mathematician G.H. Arney, who immediately recognized the brilliance of his idea. Their collaboration at Cambridge became one of the most remarkable partnerships in history, transcending cultural boundaries and pushing the frontiers of mathematical exploration. Hardy's recognition as Ramanujan's genius still captivates mathematicians today, including the iconic Hardy-Ramanujan number. In addition to groundbreaking work. His contribution earned him numerous accolades during his lifetime. He was elected a Fellow of the Royal Society in 1918, one of the highest honors for a mathematician, and appointed a Fellow for Trinity College, Cambridge. His discoveries, including Ramanujan Doll function and Ramanujan prime, continue to inspire researchers even today. Though he did not receive formal recognition through awards, his legacy with posthumous honors such as the Ramanujan Journal is dedicated to his fields of study. Despite grappling with numerous personal challenges, including poor health and the struggle of adapting to life abroad, his passion for mathematics remained unwavering. His resilience and dedication to his craft were pivotal in producing some of the most profound mathematical discoveries, which are still studied and applied in various fields. On this Ramanujan Day, let us honor his legacy, not only for his remarkable mathematical contributions, but also for the determination and creativity that fuel his work. Ramanujan's life is a testament to the limitless potential of the human mind and serves as an enduring inspiration to all those who seek knowledge. Thank you.
Thank you, Hausa, for the eloquent and insightful presentation. Your words have truly brought to light the extraordinary life and legacy of Ramanujan, whose work continues to inspire generations.
Now we are about to present something unique. Our math enthusiasts have blended the rhythm of music with the logic of mathematics, prepared to experience how math can come alive through a song.
Wow, that was a delightful way to explore math. They truly showed us that math isn't just about solving problems, it's also about creating harmony, just like music.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now come to a very exciting moment of today's event. Our students from grade 1 to 4 have truly amazed us with their creativity and imagination in the fancyless competition. We are pleased to invite all the winners to the stage to showcase their work.
Good morning, teachers. Good morning, friends. My name is Zaid Yusuf Siddiqui. Today I am telling about arithmetic operation. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Now I am telling about shapes. Square has no sides. Circle has no sides. Triangle has 3 sides. Square has 4 sides. Red triangle has 4 sides. Thank you. Sorry, teacher. My name is Abia Fatima Azam. I am studying in Kogi. My teacher name is Zara teacher and Kolia teacher. I am a calculator. Calculator is help of about subtraction is equal to 92. Good morning everyone. My name is Abdul Sawan Mohammed. I am studying in first grade. My topic is about Srinivasa Ramanujan. He was born on 22nd December 1887 and died on 26 April 1920. He was Indian mathematician. He solved the problem which no one can solve. He studied in University of Cambridge. He was British Indian. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Vinaya Fatima. I study in class 2B. Today mathematics is the math is full of fun. It has so much to learn and give you stress if you practice. If you practice less, maths not only teach us addition and subtraction, it also shows that a few problems have solutions. Whenever you always ask if you lose, we subtract. Happiness is always multiplied. Sharing is caring. We do by your these mudras in our life. We always apply. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Aida Fatima from class 2C. Today I'm going to tell mathematics. 3 5 are 15. 30 minus 2 is equal to 28. 18 plus 18 is equal to 36. 7 4s are 28. 40 minus 24 is equal to 33. 19 plus 21 is equal to 40. Thank you.
Another round of applause for these talented students. Their creativity has certainly brought a special spark to today's celebration.
Now, I would like to call fourth graders to come and tell us their poem recitation. I would like to call Manazza Fatima of 4th.
Good morning everyone. I am Manasa Fatima from class 4. Today's theme is poem on mathematics. So I thought, why don't I dedicate teachers as I describe my maths journey. So my teachers, this book is for you, my maths journey. In pre-primary, I had my start. Number work was my first math part. 1, 2, 3 and backward 2. Nazima ma'am taught me numbers through and through. In class 1, maths got its name. Azra ma'am made it a fun new game. In class 2, Alice ma'am took the stage. Multiplication, oh what a new page. Class 3, board division, neat and clear. Shravani ma'am made every step appear. Now in class 4, Rambat ma'am's my guide. Fractions and decimals keep me occupied. To all my teachers, past and new, this journey of math is thanks to you. As I move forward grade by grade, your lessons are the foundations you laid. Geometry and algebra are knocking my door, and I love maths forevermore. Thank you.
Wow, that was amazing. Now we have Muhammad Ali of 4th C.
Good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Ali. I am from class 4C. Poem on mathematics. Mathematics is full of fun, which is too much to learn. Profits are added while losses are subtracted. Degrees are multiplied and percentage is divided. Geometry is full of mystery. Algebra has a big history. Lines are parallel. Angles are similar. Maths is necessary in life. Without it, it is difficult to survive. Thank you.
Wow, that was very creative. Now we have Umeza Fatima of 4th B.
Good morning everyone. My name is Umeza Fatima and I am from grade 4B. Today I am going to recite a poem. The title of my poem is Wonderful Maths. In maths we learn operations. One of them is multiplication and the others are addition, subtraction and division. It's not easy. We have to do a lots of calculation. In art, we learn symmetry. In maths, we learn geometry. One of the difficult lessons of math is algebra. And my friends have dreams of hissing cobra. Once I was reading fables, my mother asked me to learn tables. If I get all the sums right, I will get to eat cheese toast. Thank you.
Wow, that was very amazing. Now we have Muhammad Rahman Shaji of 4th C.
Good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Ruman Shadi from 4th. Today I am saying about regards math. Numbers all around, everywhere they can be found. Numbers tell us our whole life and how many people in my family. Sometimes I got stuck with confusion in addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Numbers all around, everywhere they can be found. How much money something costs, a number to call if I got lost. Numbers all around, everywhere they can be found. When to wake up and when to eat, what size of shoe, where from my feet. Numbers all around, everywhere they can be found. Price tags, speed limits, calendars and words. In the cafeteria and in the halls. Numbers all around, everywhere they can be found. Thank you. Now let's call upon Madina Binte Obed for show and tell.
Of grade 30.
Good morning everyone. My name is Madina Binte Obed. I am studying in class 30. Today I am telling about basic shapes and solid shapes. Basic shapes are areas closed in by one or more lines. Example, square and rectangle, etc. Solid shapes are three-dimensional objects. Example, cube and cuboid, etc. Coming to basic shapes. Square. All four sides are equal in a square. Rectangle. Opposite sides are equal in rectangle. It has three sides. Circle, it has no sides. Coming to solid shapes. Cube and cuboid, they both have 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices.
क्या नाम है ये थोड़ी ये आपसे only this girl is absent.
Sphere has no vertices, no vertices, no edges, only one face. Cylinder has 3 faces, 2 edges, no vertices. Thank you.
Next, we have Muhammad Mujtaba Hussain of 3rd E.
Good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Mujtaba Hussain from class 3rd E. Today I am going to say about sphere and cube. A sphere has 0 vertices, 0 edges and 0 faces. It has one cube. A cube has 12 sides, 6 faces and 8 vertices. Thank you.
Now let's call upon Muhammad Umar Farooq of 3rd C.
Good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Umar Farooq. I am a student of 3rd C. Today I am going to tell about circle. Circle is a closed shape. It is round and round. It has no corner and edges. It has one curved surface. Sun, point, B button, etc. are the example of circular shape. Thank you everyone.
A round of applause for these talented students.
The future of mathematics is bright with such young minds eager to explore its beauty. We now move on to our next segment, a role play presented by our talented 4th and 5th graders. We are sure this will be a treat for all of us. Please welcome them with a round of applause.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ibrahim Sharwali from class 4C. Today I am speaking about Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan was an Indian mathematician renowned for his extraordinary contribution to mathematics. His work continues to influence and inspire mathematicians worldwide. He was born on December 22, 1887 in Neerat, Tamil Nadu, in India. Infinite series, number theory, modular forms, highly composite numbers, mock theta functions, and Hardy-Ramanujan. Asymptotic formula are some his key contribution to Ramanujan's life and work. Are celebrated annually on his birthday, December 22, observed as National Mathematics Day in India. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Mujtaba. Today I dressed as Bernhard Riemann. Bernhard Riemann from 1866 was a German mathematician whose work profoundly influenced analysis, differential geometry and number theory. His ideas have become foundation in modern mathematics. Riemann's work covered diverse areas of mathematics with several fundamental concepts named after him. Riemann hypothesis, Riemannian geometry, complex analysis, Riemann integral are some of his key contributions. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Musa. Today I am telling about famous mathematician Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein from 1879 to 1955 was a German physicist who is widely regarded not only teacher physics but also inspired your advancement in academic success. He continues to explore fields like cosmology, quantum mechanics, and theoretical physics today. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ryan, and I am studying fifth grade. Today, I am going to play the role of Muhammad Ibn Musa al-Khawarizmi. Muhammad Musa al-Khawarizmi was born in 718 CE and in Khawarizm and died in 850 CE. Al-Khawarizm was a Persian Muslim mathematician who produced vastly influential mathematics, geography, and astronomy. Al-Khawarizm was the father of algebra and he introduced the Indo-Arabic numerals to the Western world. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Hamza Farooq Said from class 14. Today I have a few lines to speak about Galileo Galilei. Galileo Galilei from 1564 to 1642 was an Italian scientist, mathematician, astronomer and physicist, often called the father of modern science. Galileo's emphasis on observation, experimentation and mathematics marked a turning point in the scientific thought during the Renaissance. His contributions are improved telescope design, discovered that Milky Way consists of countless stars, documented transports of the sun, improved several scientific instruments including the military compass and the thermoscope. Galileo's work marked the transition from natural philosophy to modern science. Thank you.
In India, December 22nd is celebrated as National Mathematics Day. It is the birth anniversary of Srinivasa Ramanujan, a renowned mathematician. National Mathematics Day is celebrated to honor contribution of Srinivasa Ramanujan in field of mathematics. Good morning, I am Srinivasa Ramanujan. I born in Erode, Tamil Nadu. I won many prizes in high school. I was self-taught. I made real contribution to mathematics. I focus on the number theory. I explored infinite series of fractions. I practice groundbreaking papers. Thank you. Morning everybody. Good morning everyone. My name is Sevan Mohammed Khalid. I am studying in grade 5A. Today I am going to speech on mathematician APJ he is an African among the greatest scientists of the 20th century. He was the 11th president of India and he served his country for research development DRDO and the space research organization ISRO. Thank you. Good morning everyone, my name is Zahra Khan. Today I will tell about identity. Hello everyone, I was born in 14 January 1648. I was complete my study from Campus UPS University. One day I was sitting under the apple for my while getting the apple for my head. This apple fly in the sky. Then I thought flowers and stars in the sky and everything came back to the earth. Then I came to a conclusion that earth has some mechanical force that pulls everything yes, is gravity. It discovered that this earth has gravitational force that pull everything twice its height. Good morning everyone, my name is Mohammed Najib. Today I am going to tell about mathematics APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam was a Indian researcher. He was born October 15, 1931, for Rajeshwar Tamil Nadu, he was from Amman Niti. Kalam played a pivotal role in India's mission development program. He served as the direct president of India from 200 to 7. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Mohammad Abdul Wazir. I am speaking about bicycles. Bicycles of them was the 570 from 495 CE was a Greek mathematician, philosopher, and the founder of the Pythagorean school of thought. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sheikh Mohammed Shah and today I am going to tell you few points about Unity Walker, famous mathematician from the USD. He wrote a book called Eleven that teaches shapes and numbers. We clicked on how to learn shapes. Example, circle, square, triangle. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Mohammad Ryan Ali. Today I am going to tell about 3 lines about Isaac Newton. The contribution of Newton is the contribution of Newton is the contribution of Newton is thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Imran. I'm from class 2B. Today I am going to speak about Ada Lovelace. Augusta Ada Lovelace, Countess of Lovelace, also known as Ada Lovelace. She was an English mathematician and writer. She is known for her work on Charles Babbage's purpose mechanical and general purpose computer and analytical engine. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Simra Asif and I'm from 5th B. Today I'm role modeling Sophie Germain. Sophie Germain was a French mathematician of 18th century. She was born on 1st April 1776. She held herself from the world and developed me to find a career and Fermat's last theorem. She also found number theory and velocity theory. Thank you.
What a remarkable performance. Our 4th and 5th graders have brilliantly showcased their creativity in an engaging manner.
Indeed. Now it's time for some fun and laughter. Let's welcome our talented 6th graders who are here to make us laugh with their amazing jokes.
Good morning everyone. My name is Bhavya. My name is Rida. Today we are going to tell you some jokes. Can you tell me why the geometry book was tired? Because it had too many answers to cover. Now let me ask you one. Do you know why the math book was feeling stressed? It had too many problems. I have another one. Which tree is math teacher's favorite? Geometry. Can you tell me why did the obtuse angle go to the beach? Because it is over 90 degrees. Tell me why was the math teacher suspicious of the all prime numbers except 2? Because they were all odd. Do you know who is in charge of a geometry box? The ruler. Thank you.
Wow, that was amazing. Our 6th graders really know how to make us laugh. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Indeed, it is always a pleasure to witness such creativity and enthusiasm from our students. Now, to guide us through the next exciting segment of the program, I'd like to pass the mic to my fellow anchors.
Maths is the universal language that connects us all. And today, we are here to celebrate it. I am Mushtaba.
And I am Noman. We'll be your host as we take you on an exciting journey through the amazing world of maths. Let's keep the energy up as we dive into today's events.
To start, I would like to call the girls of grade 5 to perform a skit on angles.
Angels. Angels. Angels.
What are you doing, my child? ANGLES is angle, not angel. Go and sleep now.
This one skill is guaranteed an MBA salary of up to 18 lakh per annum.
Oh, what a beautiful child. I think that she was calling me to be good. Let's see, what was she learning about? Oh, she was learning about the angle. ANGLES. Angle.
That was an amazing yet informing skit.
Now, let's continue by celebrating our young mathematicians. The students from grade 1 to 5 have worked hard and achieved so much.
That's right. Let's honor their talent and dedication with our prize distribution ceremony. I would like to invite Nasreen ma'am to contribute with the prize distribution ceremony.
Morning, everyone. It is now time to recognize the exceptional mathematical talent among us. With outstanding submission from our participants, the judging process was indeed challenging. But we excited to announce the well-deserving winners of competitions that were held in connection of Mathematics Day. I request our Chief Guest Sir, Secretary Ma'am, Director Ma'am, Principal Ma'am and all the heads to please join us on the stage and felicitate the prize winners.
सर्टिफिकेट तो भी देते चाहिए आप एक और एक टीचर रख लीजिए सर्टिफिकेट से यहाँ से दे देते नहीं आए टेबल पास डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द पेपर फोटो में यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम सर्टिफिकेट 5 will only grade 5 not from the papers first prize due my certificate full certificate will come here no
Let's start with the winners of grade 1. We have Zaid Yusufuddin Siddiqui of grade 1E who bagged first position in model making, models of operation. Zaid Yusuf. Zaid Yusuf Siddiqui of first E. Next is Afia Fatima of 1D who secured second position in fancy dress competition, in math fancy dress competition. Afia Fatima.
Ma'am, we'll go with the third, fourth first because I think they have taken. Yeah, they are coming. Ma'am, what is the name for first prize? One not here. Inaya Fatima too. Inaya and then second prize is now you follow ma'am in sequence. First prize only you got.
Zaid Yusuf Siddiqui of first E who secured first position in fancy dress competition. Next we have Abdul Samad of grade 1A who secured second position. Next is Afia Fatima of 1D who got second prize in fancy dress competition.
This is Aiza.
Next is Aiza Fatima of second C who secured second position in fancy dress competition. Next is Anam Zunaira of 2C who secured second position in fancy dress competition. Next is Aisha Fatima of 1D who got second prize in fancy dress competition. Next is Anam Zunaira of 2C who secured second position in fancy dress competition. Next is Anam Zunaira of 2C who secured second position in fancy dress competition. Next is Anam Zunaira of 2C who secured second position in fancy dress competition.
second position in fancy dress competition. Give a round of applause for our little mathematicians. Next we have the winners of grade 3, Madiha Binte Ubaid of 3rd D, who got first position in show and tell shapes competition. Keep the applause rolling, audience. Keep clapping. Next is Mohammad Mustafa Hussain of 3rd E, who got first position in show and tell shapes competition. Next is Ania Fatima of 3rd D. She's absent. Mohammad Ubaid Farooq of 3rd E, who got second position. Next we have the winners of 4th class, Muhammad Ali, who got first position in math poem recitation competition. Next is Munazza Fatima of 4th B, who got first position in math poem recitation competition. Next, Umayza Fatima of 4th B, who got second position. Next we have Muhammad Ruman of class 4th C, who bagged second position in math poem recitation. Next we have the winners of 5th class. It's Saad bin Zahid of 5th A, who got first position in slogan writing competition. Next is Aisha Fazila of 5th B, who got first position in slogan writing competition. In second place, we have Sayyida Simra Azam of 5th B. Next is Sayyid Umar Ahmed of 5th E, who got second position in slogan writing. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. I request sir and ma'am to please take the chair as we continue with the program.
Absolutely, please keep. Don't mix it. Don't mix it.
Congratulations to all the winners. Remember, every great mathematician starts small, so keep growing.
Absolutely.
Now let's think about why maths is so important. It's not just about numbers and formulas. It's the backbone of so many things, from engineering to arts.
Exactly. And to help us understand this better, let's welcome grade 7's brilliant Amnan Zanin Khan to talk about the importance of mathematics.
Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to one and all. I'm Afghan Sareen, I'm a Minister from class 70 and I'm very happy here to be for speaking about the importance of mathematics in our daily life. Mathematics is important in our daily life because it helps us solve problems and measure the cooking measurements. Some examples are problem solving. Math is a systematic way to solve everyday problems such as calculating cooking measurements, measuring travel distances, and assessing distance. Decision making. Math can help people make better decisions by analyzing risk, finding correlations between variables, and figuring out the likelihood of something happening. Cognitive development. Learning math can improve memory, attention, and reasoning abilities. Universal language. Math is almost used everywhere in our world. Technological proficiency. Mathematical skills are closely linked to technological proficiency. Health and nutrition. Math can help children understand their nutrition and health, such as through teaching them about body mass index and figuring the diet charts. Here are some more examples about how maths is used in our daily life. Traveling and analyzing their discounts. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Afnan, for that inspiring speech. You've shown us how maths is a big part of everything around us.
Up next, we have the boys of grade 6th with a creative skill full of mathematical surprises.
Their performance is going to prove to us that math isn't something to be hated or scared of.
Mathematics, our daily hero. Scene 1. Ali struggle. Ali is sitting with his books looking frustrated. Friends approach him.
Why are you so glum? I hate maths. Number confuse me and I just don't see why they even need it. What? Math is everywhere. Everywhere? I don't think so.
A mysterious man enters.
Did someone say they don't need math?
Who are you?
I am the math genius. I will show you how math is our everyday hero.
Scene 2. Math in action. The mysterious math genius takes them to the marketplace.
Ali, if one apple costs 10 rupees, how much would 3 apples cost?
Correct, that's multiplication in action.
And if you give 50 rupees for those apples, how much rent should you get back? Oh, that's a fraction.
Now that we have learned multiplication and subtraction, let's do it.
The math genius takes them to the playground.
Ali, if your team scored 3 goals in the first half and 2 goals in the second half, how
Here said everyone, imagine you are baking a cake and you need 2 cups of flour, but you have only half. How many times will you fill it?
4 times, that's division.
Scene 3, the realization.
Oh, math is very useful. I never thought about it this way.
Exactly. Math is our everyday hero, helping us solve problems, manage money, and even make cakes.
Yay, math! From now on, I will give math my best shot. Thanks, math. Yes.
That's the spirit. And remember, math is fun when you make it your friend.
The genius waves goodbye and everybody waves back.
Let's give a round of applause for this fantastic performance.
Totally. They have shown us that maths is everywhere and we should not have a hatred towards it.
Now to present some fun facts about maths, I would like to call upon the girls of grade 9.
It is with deep respect that we extend our warm greetings to everyone present in this room. I'm Sharon Kudus from grade 9B. I'm Shanta Kudus from grade 8B. And now we would like to welcome you all to this interactive part of today's event. We would also like to thank the maths faculty, especially Naseem ma'am, who has not only encouraged us, but also given us this great opportunity of being a part of today's event. So, okay, so now I welcome you all personally to this interactive part of today's event. I feel extremely honored to be standing before you all, and I expect. Oh wait, sorry guys, I'm gonna do. Oh wait, it's Zainab. Hello.
Hello, this is Domino's Pizzeria speaking. I'm really sorry to inform you, but we ran out of 9-inch pizza bases. So can we order you 2 5-inch pizza instead?
Oh, so you ran out of 9-inch pizza bases, but are offering 2 5-inch pizzas instead.
Yes.
That's been lovely. Guys, I know mathematics and I know the fact that if we apply the formula to pi r squared, the area of the circle will be calculated. So if we calculate the area of a 9-inch pizza, it's going to be about 20.255. And if we calculate the area of the same formula, the area of the 2 5-inch pizzas is going to be about 12.55. So even if you guys offer me 3 5-inch pizzas, it's going to be less than the 1 9-inch pizza that we ordered. So you're fooling no one, buddy. Thank you. Oh my god, how did you know that? Because I love mathematics. Yeah. Did you guys know that maths is used in a lot of subjects? Yeah. Did you guys know that maths is not only used in maths but also in computers for binary language, in history for calculating times, in chemistry for evaluating the mass of whatever element this is, and also it is used in physics. A lot of you all might be familiar with it. So yeah, maths is used in a lot of other subjects. A lot of you all might not know this, but India recently has secured the World Chess Championship. Congratulations, India. Yogesh Tomaraju, who's from Tamil Nadu. Yogesh Tomaraju, who is from Tamil Nadu, is the World Chess Champion. And did you know the fact that he used mathematics in his chess? Yes. In his game, he used geometry, asymmetrical patterns, the theorems, and a lot of square theory. Yes, he used that. Did you guys know about this? I bet you did not. Wow, that was such a new information. I know, right? Well, did you also know that maths is not only used in this but also in an up-and-coming quantum computers? Yes, maths is also used in quantum computers, which is the new future of science and technology.
No boy talks legit had me a headache. Well, I'm supposing, like my sister, you all also have a headache. So, to enlighten us, I would like to call a few of my friends and see what the conversation can bring us to. Over to Zara, Eva, and Alvira.
Hello everyone, I'm Amira Fatima Reza.
I'm Hiba Noor.
And I'm Zara.
Hey, I have a question for you guys. Anyone of you find math boring? Anyone?
Well, even we have a friend who finds math boring, but that's not actually true. Math is interesting and it's super fun. Well, I find math boring and I don't think that you guys can change my mind.
Fine, let's make math fun today. But we'll have some fun facts, riddles, and jokes.
Let me tell you a truth. Why do you think is the equal sign always so humble? I have no idea. Do you guys know the answer? Well, that is because it knows that it is not greater than or lesser than anyone. That was a nice one.
Wait, can you answer this one? What is a number that cannot be represented in Roman numerals?
I thought all numbers can be represented in Roman numerals. Then the answer must be zero.
That's correct.
Did you guys know that the concept of zero had originated in ancient India by Aryabhatta in the 5th century? Wow, that's quite informative.
I have a fun fact for you. Did you know that every odd number has an E in its spelling? Try it out yourself if you don't believe me.
But 3, 5. Wow, I guess that's true. Every odd number does have a letter E in its spelling. Well, I've got another joke. You guys will listen to it?
Yeah, sure.
Why do you think our mathematicians bad at arguments? I don't know. Why are you asking me? I'm not a mathematician. Then that is because they're always trying to prove their point. Isn't that funny? Haha, very funny.
Okay, I've got it written. Let's see who's smarter. A mother has 6 girls and each of them has a brother. How many children do you think are there in total?
Well, if you think I'm dumb, it's obviously 12.
That's the wrong answer. What do you think the answer is? The answer is 7 because each girl has the same brother.
Well, if you think you're so smart, then try to answer this question. If it took 6 people 9 hours to build a barn, how long would it take 12 people to build the same barn?
It would take a lot of calculation.
Is it 4 hours? No, because the barn is already built. Okay, now I have a question for you guys. Who do you think is the father of mathematics?
I have no idea.
Do you guys know the answer? Yes, please. Can you please be louder? No, that's incorrect. The answer is Archimedes. He's the father of mathematics.
See, math is just like these riddles. Sometimes tricky, but once you figure it all out, it feels like a victory.
I guess math isn't really that bad. Mathematics is all about persistence. And with great friends by your side, even the hardest problems are fun to solve.
Exactly. So just remember, whenever you feel stressed, remember all the maths fun jokes you've shared.
Okay, thank you everyone and hope you learned something today.
Wow, that was wonderful, isn't it? It literally blew my mind up. Exactly, that was wonderful. Now we're going to come to the fun part. So I want my audience to be please interactive during this part because this was a specifically designed. Before that, let's have some more fun. Did you know that I had an argument with an analyst and guess what? Damn, it was right. And I have this much frustration with maths. Like, Rahul has 80 candies. He eats 60 of them. How many he has them? Like, first of all, he eats how many? 60. He's eating 60 candies and his mother is allowing him. How come? And second of all, he has cavities after eating those many candies. And they are, like, at the end, they are like, he has only 20 left. What do you think? Only 20 left. I mean, it's pretty much true that only maths textbook have all of these possible. Math buys 11 apples, 21 apples. He pays 60 bananas. I mean, where is the man getting the money from to build 50 houses? And once he's building 15 houses, so nobody questions. It's all possible only in a maths textbook. Yeah, definitely. Okay, so my audience, I would love you all to please focus here and interact because this is a specifically requested part of interaction and please interact with us. So
The first question that I want to ask is actually, in this I would like our Honorable Chief Guest Sir, Assalamu Alaikum Sir. I would love him to also participate in this and all the heads as well. So I'm going to blow your mind, you guys. So if you concentrate while you all are being mindful. So please think of a number from 1 to 10, a single digit number, so it's going to be easier for calculation. Did you think of the number? Yeah. Okay. And now can you multiply this to? Yeah. Okay. Can you add 4? Okay. Can you now divide that number by 2? Done? No. Okay, nice. My audience is fast. So now take the number that you just got. Alright. Do you remember the first digit that you actually thought of? Right? Now you have to, the digit you just got, right? You have to subtract it from the first digit. So, did you do it? Okay, so I'm going to take your mind. Mind reading in 3, 2, 1. The answer is 2. That was so good. You're legit at mathematics. I know, right? I'm on my way to becoming Shivani Shah 2.2. I can see that. Okay, so now we have a few questions. So, audience, please prepare yourself and raise yourselves. Okay, for the audience and for everyone, we have some rules that you guys have to follow. Yeah, Shan, please instruct that. Okay, so audience, the rule is if you want to play, you have to respect, you have to raise your hand. So, anyone who raises their hand first will be given the chance. Not now. So anyone who raises their hand first will be given the chance to speak, and no shouting of answers, please. Request everyone to be disciplined because this part, I know you get really excited and you want to shout out the answer, but please request you all to respect all of this audience. So thank you. And if you disrespect the rules and if you don't follow all of these, you're going to be as an audience, not as a player. So in order for you to play like a player, you have to be respecting the rules, okay? If you don't respect them and if you by any chance do anything that is forbidden, you're going to be sitting as an audience. So choose wisely all. So everyone keep quiet, okay? Maintain silence in the hall. Thank you. Now my sister Shante, please go with the first question. Yeah, so the first question is, what is the value of pi? Like the first 3 digits after the decimal. Yeah. 3.14. 3.
3.14159.
Anyone else? Okay, wait, that's right. 3.142. No, that's incorrect. Anyone else? Oh, yeah, wait, that's Daria. Please pass the mic to Daria. 3.141. Yes, that's the correct answer. Please come forward. Daria, I would like to come forward. Yes, please. Okay, so the next question, please. Okay, I'm going to be speaking the next question. The question is, what is 72 times 8? What is 72 times 8 times 0 times 5? I repeat, what is 72 times 8 times 0 times 5? Oh, everyone knows the answer over here. Guys, respect please. Guys, please don't shout. Just raise your hands, maintain silence. Guys, maintain silence. Yeah, you should. Yeah, good. Everyone get the eye for this one. Congratulations. That's the correct answer. Please come forward. Guys, please have a round of applause for Jack Girl. So the next question is, the general term for triangular number is? Anyone? Raise hand. Like this one, someone raise their hand. Yes. Guys, raise your hand and keep it raised. Shall I repeat the question? Okay, so the general term for the triangular number is? Yes, one girl, yes. Come to my two, please. 1729. Oh, that's okay.
No, it's not. Like, this was in the lesson keyword. That one. Guys, I'm gonna give you a short hint. Someone's gonna cancel, please.
And it to end up 1 by 2.
Yes, that's a great answer. Now, please come forward.
Yes.
Okay. Now this is a very easy question. Guys, now this interaction comes to an end. Thank you so much for participating. Thank you so much for all the effort that you did. Like, we really enjoyed this. Thank you so much. Now we would like to felicitate the winners, people who answered properly in all of this. We request Sabiha ma'am to felicitate the winners.
ग्रुप में कौन सा आता था वैसा बोले तो अपन यहीं खड़े हुए ना बोल सकते अपन
Can I request a round of applause, please? Thank you all so much. We really enjoyed this and we expect to be in further events with you all. Thank you so much.
Those are some very interesting facts.
totally with that I would like to hand the mic to the girls of 9th grade. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. It's such a pleasure to have you. It's such a pleasure to have you all here today as we come together to celebrate the incredible world of mathematics. Now, to take this celebration of Maths Day forward, we have the honor of hearing from someone who has always championed education and inspired us to pursue knowledge in every form. It is truly an honor to welcome someone whose unwavering dedication to the field of education has made a significant impact in shaping the way we learn and grow. With that, we invite our esteemed secretary, Sabiha ma'am, to join us on stage and share her valuable insights with us. Let's give her a warm round of applause as we welcome her to address us on this special occasion.
A very good morning to you all. Honorable Chief Guest Sir, Ali Akbar Sir, who is an accomplished personality. He is a very apt person, a appropriate person to call here. Actually, 15th of March is the World Math Day. But in memory of the great scientist and mathematician Ramanujan, we celebrate in India on this day, on his birthday. As I was witnessing, I could see one child, one tiny dot, who said that the square has no corners, something into it. Immediately he corrected himself. That is the beauty of education. Putting your thought, learning from your teachers, learning from with the help of your parents, and keep on correcting. Correction is the jaan hai education. So I was so happy to see the child immediately corrected himself. You should never be hesitant on coming on the stage and presenting anything. But that boldness should be there. And गिरते हैं शहर सवारी मैदान जंग में वो तिफ्ल क्या करें कुछ शेर है बड़ा कि जो मैदान जंग में ही शहर सवार घुड़सवार गिरते हैं कोई दूसरा तो नहीं गिरेगा तो hands off to the parents and the teachers. It is always a combined effort I was remembering so many thoughts were coming to my mind. Tennis, the tennis you all know. We are children, we call our sons tennis. How is your tennis? How is my tennis? We used to call a child tennis. It was a favorite character of everyone. So tennis, how he tells the numbers 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 team, 22 team. So it was so beautiful to see those characters, so childish. That is how we keep on learning. About Ramanujan, I was just going through because I never had a chance to have a deep study on scientists or mathematicians. I was on humanities, but I keep on recollecting, I keep on brushing my knowledge. So about Ramanujan, I was just reading. Okay, when he started with this, what he called black hole and this all other theories. So his own teachers, classmates could not understand what he was going through. But he decided to pursue like that and he went on to Cambridge to pursue his studies. Tragically, his life was very short, but in that short tenure, he could achieve so much. Wish you all very best. Wish you all very happy future in future. Thanks to my parents and teachers without whose cooperation we cannot. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for those inspiring and motivating words. We are truly grateful for your presence today and your continuous support in promoting education. We are fortunate to have the guidance and leadership of our director, ma'am, who has always encouraged us to explore the depths of knowledge and to foster a love for learning. It is now my privilege to invite Maya ma'am to the stage to share her thoughts and inspire us with her words. Let's all welcome her with a warm round of applause.
Good morning, everyone. A very good morning. A lot of excitement and enthusiasm was being seen in the school. So many competitions being organized for Maths Day. And I think every day in our academic calendar is a Maths Day. Every child is worried about the Maths period. All the heads are always worried about the Maths performance. We are also looking at how many are getting hundreds in Maths. So I think it is the most important subject. And also being, I think, our favorite, I have, Maths is my favorite actually, so a little bias towards it. So whenever we all sit together and we discuss, we see what is the performance of children in mathematics. Because Maths teaches you problem solving skills. It teaches you life lessons, and when whatever subject you take up, whatever field you go into, and whether you do business, whether you study commerce, you go onto the street and do your shopping, whatever it is, but basic mathematical skills are very important. And the whole process of getting a question, trying to solve it, trying different means of solving it, and then getting a solution, that gives us so much happiness, right? When we get the right solution and we go back. I think now your next education doesn't have the answers at the back side. But usually you go back and you check the answer and you feel so happy that you got the correct answer. So that is the spirit of Maths. And like every year, we remember Srinivasa Ramanujan sir, who passed away at a very, very young age. He was just 32. But with great contributions in number theory, he's remembered as the man who knew infinity. So he didn't have the means. He didn't have. I was just reading the letter that he wrote to Cambridge, and the way he was called from his small town that was Erode near Chennai, and he was called to Cambridge, and it was so difficult for him to travel. In those days, can you imagine? He was born exactly 100 years before I was born. So 1887 he was born, and it's really hard to imagine that it was banned for people to travel. You know, they would be outcasted from the community. So the caste which he belonged to, he was going to be outcasted if he traveled across the sea. So, but he broke the superstitions. He overcame all those glass ceilings. He broke the glass ceilings and he traveled all the way to Cambridge for 3 days in a ship. And when he reached there, and those people were so surprised, and you can find such genius minds from anywhere across the world, and they encouraged him, and they got such a talented mathematician. So in this short period that he lived, he made a mark for himself, and I don't think any other scientist's birthday is celebrated in the country as a day, like Maths Day, Science Day. My kids were asking me, Mama, so why don't we have a Hindi Day, English Day, and all famous figures, their birthdays should be celebrated as some day. But it's not possible to celebrate because there are many luminaries. But of course, he has the distinction that his birthday is celebrated as the National Mathematics Day. So yeah, I hope that you kids will be inspired by people like him, and you will work really hard. Mathematics needs a lot of dedication. So that is one thing. Like sports also build up a lot of dedication in you. Whether you are tired, whether you're feeling sick, whatever it is, you go for the practice. So similarly, mathematics demands similar kind of dedication. You have to open your maths textbook, your maths classworks daily. You have to do your homeworks daily. And I'm sure your teachers are giving you daily homeworks. Don't sit with a maths book just before the test. That is one subject which it is not going to work for you if you just sit with a book one day before. And many times, I see some kids, they get sick during exam. If you get sick before your science exam, next day your exam is going to totally go wrong. But if you prepare the whole year and you get sick before the maths exam, it is not going to go wrong, because mathematics is not about mugging up. It's not mostly about memory, but it's about logic. So if you keep practicing, and that's why lifelong you will remember. I don't remember what I learned in biology or maybe even history, in geography, what I learned in the 8th or 9th or 10th grade. But I do remember, I think I can still solve the maths problems, because maths is not mugging up. It teaches you how to think. So please give a lot of importance to mathematics, keep working hard, and on behalf of the entire management and staff, I really thank Ali Asghar sir here today. I think he'll be introduced in detail to you, but he's very enthusiastic about education. We were just discussing, he's even writing some books for CBSE model papers and preparing worksheets, workbooks based upon your exam pattern. So sir is working on that right now. He has been working in underprivileged communities with a lot of students, and he has experience working all over India. So we have one of the most eminent social workers of the country sitting here with us, and we will be really glad to listen to what sir has to say. Thank you so much, and congratulations to the maths department, and particularly Nusrat ma'am, because I think she was in charge for today. So many things we cannot imagine, so much can be done in mathematics. Yes, art can be integrated everywhere, dramatics can be integrated, you made it fun, you made it more interesting, and I hope you all will get out today when we go out of the hall, will be more in love of mathematics. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your inspiring and thoughtful words. We are grateful for your constant guidance and encouragement to pursue knowledge with dedication and creativity.
The presence of our chief guest adds great value to this celebration. We are honored to have a distinguished guest with us today, someone who can further enlighten us with their views on education and the importance of mathematics. It is now my privilege to invite our esteemed guest for today, Ali Asghar sir, to address the gathering. Please join me in welcoming him with a big round of applause.
Good morning, everyone. I think I should correct myself. It's good afternoon, everyone. Students, esteemed teachers, the director, the secretary. I'm really thankful for giving me this opportunity to interact with the students and the staff of the school. And it's an and it's an honor to come here today, especially on this very auspicious occasion of the Indian Mathematics Day. You know what is the most important number in mathematics? Yes, there's a zero. Without zero, there's no mathematics. And you know where zero was invented? Yes. So that is the most important contribution of India to the field of mathematics. Without that zero, nothing would be possible. You know, the other important invention of mathematics is trigonometry. Without trigonometry, you wouldn't know the distance between Earth and Moon. You wouldn't be able to calculate the circumference of the Earth. You wouldn't be able to calculate the distance you're traveling. Again, trigonometry originated in the 6th century AD in India. And if you look at it, the entire field of mathematics actually developed in the Asian countries. What the world now calls the third world countries, actually these are the countries which gave the world mathematics, because the other most famous, other most important mathematician from this segment, from this side of the earth, is Al-Khwarizmi. We just heard about that. Children did this thing on this. And he established the framework for algebra, without which we wouldn't be able to calculate anything. So what is important is to understand that mathematics is the most important subject, and most of the students, including myself in school, we hated maths. We didn't like maths. But here we are celebrating the greatest mathematician on the world today, who is an Indian. So let's keep this tradition, let's keep this tradition alive of developing, keeping to develop and using mathematics, because we gave this world the most important discovery in mathematics, is zero, without which we wouldn't be learning anything today. And that is the message I would like to give to the students today. And I thank the teachers and the school management for giving me this opportunity to interact with you all on such an important subject and on such an important day. Thank you.
I I request our Honorable Chief Guest Sir to please stay on the stage for felicitation.
Thank you, sir, for that inspiring speech. We are truly motivated by your wonderful insights. Thank you once again for taking the time to be with us today and for sharing your valuable thoughts. To begin the felicitation, I would like to call Director Ma'am Maria Ma'am and Secretary Ma'am Sabiha Ma'am to join us on the stage.
A big round of applause for our esteemed chief guest and the wonderful gestures of appreciation from Secretary Ma'am and Director. Thank you all. Now, let us celebrate the hard work, dedication, and achievements of our students from grade 6 to 9. I request our beloved Director Ma'am, our chief guest, and all the heads to join us for the prize distribution ceremony.
Assalamu alaikum. Before we proceed to announce the winner, let us take a moment to appreciate the hard work and enthusiasm of all our participants who have showcased your talents, creativity and passion for mathematics. And we truly proud of each of you, and a round of applause to all our amazing participants. Abdullah Masood of class 6A secured first position in symmetry with clay. Abdullah Khalil of 6th for securing first position in symmetry with clay. Umaima Siddiqa of 6th D for securing first position in symmetry with clay. Zaid Rizwan Siddiqui of 6th D for securing second position in symmetry with clay. Khatija Afroz Khan for securing second position in symmetry of 6th D. Hania Nadeem of class 7th B for securing first position in perimeter and area. Ayan Mohammad Khan of class 7D for securing first position in perimeter and area. Sayyida Manha Murtuza of class 7th D for securing second position in perimeter and area. Sayyida Manha. Sayyida Manha. Hania Nadeem of class 7th B for securing first position in perimeter area. Ghulam Mohammad Faisal of class 7th E for securing second position in perimeter and area. Bilal Ahmad of class 8F for securing first position in pyramids. Zunaira Mehreen of class 8B for securing first position in pyramid making. Mir Yusuf Ali Shoaib of class 8D for securing second position in pyramid making. Umema Siddiqa of class 8D for securing second position in pyramid making. Mohammad Faizanuddin of class 9th A for securing first position in posture making. Sayyida Afroz Sadiq of class 9th B for securing first position in posture making. Thank you, students. Keep it up.
Heartiest congratulations to all the winners for their hard work and success. Keep winning and keep making all of us proud.
Ladies and gentlemen, students and faculty, we have something truly exciting coming up next. A dance style that takes precision, creativity and hard work. It's all about creating angles with your arms and hands. A unique dance performance by 9 girls. So without further ado, let's prepare ourselves to witness the stunning blend of mathematics and dance. Please welcome the 9 girls with a big round of applause as the presenters.
Sir, for a picture. Math department picture. I request the mathematics faculty to please come up on the stage for a group photograph with the chief guest and director ma'am.
Ladies and gentlemen, students and faculty, we have something truly exciting coming up next. A dance style that takes precision, creativity and hard work. It's all about creating angles with your arms and hands. A unique dance performance by 9th grade boys. So without further ado, let's prepare ourselves to witness the stunning blend of mathematics and dance. Please welcome the 9th grade boys with a big round of applause as they come to perform the tuning performance.
That was truly mind-blowing. Let's give them another round of applause for their effort and precision. Ladies and gentlemen, what an amazing celebration of mathematics we had today. From the fascinating presentations to the inspiring performances, it has truly been a day to remember. But no event can be successful without the hard work and support of many individuals.
Now to express our gratitude and formally conclude this wonderful event, I would like to call upon a person who herself has been truly inspiring. So please join me in welcoming Sina Tham to deliver the words of thanks.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today has been an incredible mathematics day on occasion of Ramanujan's birthday, filled with energy, teamwork and unforgettable moments. As we come to the end of this amazing event, I, Zeenat Jahan, Primary Head of Department, privileged to deliver the vote of thanks. First and foremost, I would like to thank our respected Secretary Ma'am, Sabiha Ma'am, Director Maria Ma'am, our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Ali Asghar sir, our esteemed Principal Zulekha Ma'am, our Vice Principal Khadija Nusrat Ma'am, our Samira ma'am and all the other heads and along with my colleagues. I hope all of you have learned the importance of mathematics in our daily life through a fun and informative day. For us, every day is a mathematics day as there is no life without mathematics. I extend my heartfelt thanks to all the teachers who are not only our guides in studies but also cheer us on events like this. Finally, I would like to thank everyone involved, whether directly or indirectly, making today a success. Thank you once again for all your coordination and